see? Right, you just got the green light to go in, so I'm going in. Let's go. Yeah, I'm doing live. Get a trolley. Plenty of trolley. Sorry, I didn't bring my headphone. I don't think you guys can hear me very well, but just enjoy the view, okay? Let me switch. Okay. That's all right. Where should we go? Shall we go to the literature section first? Okay. Alright, we've got some graphic novels. Closer look. Okay. Where are the literature section? Here. Right. Crime thrillers. I try to go as slow as I can, but I also like to cover as many area as possible. Right. Oh, this is pretty. Right. Oh, literature. There we go. Let's see. What have we got here? Okay. Yes. Say hi. Hi. That's cute. Yeah. He came in with me. Right. Excuse me if I don't speak a lot because my brain is exploding at all the books that I'm looking at. That's interesting. Coloring. More here. Should I put this in the trolley? So many books. Right. Look at this. Okay. Let's go over to the other side. Science fiction. Okay, anyone interested in romance? Let's have a look. Again, I kind of lost my ability to speak because my mind is exploding from so many books. So please excuse me, but just enjoy the video. Right. Okay, we have young adults.
What's that? What's that?
I took a few Marvel books.
I'm like,
Geez, seriously? God, they're Black Widow and Iron Man.
I have a Black Widow one.
Yeah.
There's, I believe, in the thing called Love. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Hardback, paperback. Okay, never mind. Right.
Oh, what? I knew it. Ew, what is it?
Right, they are still setting up. You can see some empty tables, which will be filled up with lots and lots of books by tomorrow.
What?
Okay, right, more books here. So we are at the young adult section now. Whoa. ₱60 for the box set. Okay, let's look at some genre fiction. Right, I'm just going to do a quick walkabout, show you guys an idea what books they have, and after this I'm gonna go pick myself some books. It's quite difficult to walk and film and try to maneuver a trolley. Okay, more genre fiction. I hope you guys can see clearly. Hopefully I'm not walking too fast. Okay, here. To be honest, I don't know where to look. Yes, my lines are darting everywhere. I don't know where to focus. And I'm trying to watch where I'm going, pushing a trolley, try to look at the screen. This is multitasking at my best, because I don't do multitasking very well. So that's, okay, where else? Okay, more young adults. Okay, here. What do they have? Okay, the arms are getting tired from holding up the phone. I might need to stop very soon. Okay, romance. The one that got away. Sometimes you can find some really interesting books at the romance table, because the staff sometimes just shelf any book with the title love or marriage or whatever onto the romance table. And so yeah, do check out the romance table. You might find some surprisingly good titles there. Have I done this already? They look familiar. Oh yeah, I think I have. Oops. Now where should I go? Run! Quite a lot of Malay books from what I can see. Picture books in the middle section, middle of the hall. So looks like children books are taking the center stage this year. Yeah, big market for children. Okay. The staff are still busy getting ready. Okay, these are children, these are the Chinese books. At the back, more Chinese books. Reference books here, not set up. Oh, is that it? Where are the non-fiction? Can't see any. Okay, I'm gonna explore a bit. Okay, Chinese books. Looks like fiction has only a very small corner. Can you see? Only that corner in the hall, and the hall is big. Look. So, right, English fiction section has shrunk quite a lot. Giving way to a lot of Chinese books and Malay books and children books. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the fiction section. the entrance is over there. You come in. This is the English fiction section. All the tables. Right. I'll check out more general fiction. Okay. Have we seen this already? We have, haven't we? Okay, let's look here. Hi, Charles. Anything in your trolley yet?
Just three.
Oh, ooh, okay. Look at that. Where did you find this?
This row towards the end.
The end. Okay, near.
This table.
Oh, this table.
Yep.
Okay, general fiction. This table towards the end. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna go grab one. Wait. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. Got one. Yes. Thanks. Got one. There's quite a lot of them. So come early tomorrow. Diana. Hi. Okay, let's.
Why is there only book 3?
Shah's not happy. Only book 3. Bring us book 1 and 2. Okay. Right, looks like that's it. These are the children's section. If I can find the non-fiction table, I'll go live again. Otherwise, I think I pretty much cover most tables. Now it's the time for me to walk slowly and look at the titles properly now. Okay, so that's it. Let me switch the camera around. Yep, so that's it for now. I'm gonna go shopping, and if there's any more interesting news, I will come back. Otherwise, you can watch the replay on my Facebook page, Books and Bobs, and hopefully there is more interesting news coming up later on. Okay, see you soon. Bye.